Welcome to SN Linguistic Academy. Now proceed with the speaking skills conversation number 8. Before this, we already have done 7 conversation on different topics and we practiced a lot. Now move on. Making an appointment. Learning how to schedule a meeting effectively. What is an appointment? A scheduled meeting between 2 or more people can be formal, doctor and office, or informal, friends, study sessions, requires time, date and sometimes location agreement. It means कि जब अपॉइंटमेंट की बात करेंगे तो शेड्यूल होती है, यानी पहले से डिसाइडेड होता है नेम, प्लेस, टाइम एंड डेट. These are essential. These are essential things when we talk about an appointment. It is not a sudden meeting. It is not an immediate meeting. It is an appointment कि हम पहले से इसको decide करते हैं, confirm करते हैं. Then we have some kind of meeting. Key vocabulary to know when we talk about an appointment. Number 1, appointment. Number 2, schedule. Number 3, availability. Number 4, confirm. Number 5, reschedule. Number 6, postpone. Number 7, cancel. Number 8, meeting. Here are some useful phrases when we talk about an appointment in polite way और फॉर्मल अपॉइंटमेंट. यानी कोई फॉर्मल अपॉइंटमेंट है किसी डॉक्टर के साथ, किसी भी पोजीशन, किसी भी पोस्ट के साथ, तो हम उसका अपॉइंटमेंट जब हम बनाएंगे, जब हम उसका अपॉइंटमेंट तैयार करेंगे, सो व्हाट वी रिक्वायर द डेट, द टाइम एंड द पर्सन's नेम और डेजिग्नेशन. Number 1, I would like to make an appointment with. Number 2, are you available on. Number 3, can we meet on. Number 4, what time suits you. Number 5, let me check my calendar. Number 6, I'm afraid I'm not free then. And the last one, let's reschedule. Let's practice the conversation. Conversation number 1, it is a formal conversation. Good morning. I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Ali. Certainly. When would you like to come? Is Tuesday morning available? Let me check. Yes, 10:30 a.m. is free. That works, thank you. Conversation number 2, it is informal conversation. Hey, can we meet to discuss the project? Sure. How about tomorrow evening? I'm busy then. How about Thursday after lunch? Perfect. Let's meet at 2 p.m. in the library. Well, these are good practices to have a formal conversation or informal conversation when we talk about an appointment. Thank you so much.